Hey guys, I'm John Setzler. Welcome back to Man Cave Meals. Today I'm going to fire up the Huntsman once again, and I'm going to smoke a couple of these really big turkey legs, do a festival style turkey leg. So let's get started. We're going to kick off by making our curing brine, and this is very simple. We're going to have 2 cups of cold water, 2 tablespoons of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of pink curing salt, which is Prague Powder #1, and then about 1/4 cup of molasses. And I'm just going to get all that in my large measuring cup and take my whisk and mix that till it's completely dissolved. And then I'll introduce you to the star of the show. I've got 4 of these really large turkey legs. These are these festival style turkey legs, and give you kind of an idea how big those things are based on my hand. These guys weigh right at about 1 pound a piece. I've got 4 pounds here in these 4 legs. The next thing you're going to do is marinate these guys for 12 to 24 hours in this brine that we've made. I'm going to use vacuum seal bags. If you don't have vacuum seal bags, just use a Ziploc. And I'm going to do 2 bags here, so I'm going to dump half of my brine into each of these bags, and then we're going to vacuum seal them closed. So I've got these guys vacuum sealed in the vacuum seal bags, and like I said, if you're using Ziploc bags, that's fine too. Just get all the air out that you can, and these are going to go back into the refrigerator. And what you'll do, 3 or 4 times over the 12 to 24 hours that you're going to marinate these, is just flip the bags over and kind of give it a massage a little bit where that brine will stay in contact with all of the meat on these turkey legs. So we'll see you tomorrow. Okay, I've got some charcoal lit up here in my small chimney, and I'm just going to dump it on top of some lit coals over here on the right hand side of the grill. And now I'm going to fire up the venom to run our grill at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll just spin the dial up to 300 and let it get things cooking. I've taken those turkey legs out of the brine and I've towel dried them with paper towels. Our grill's almost preheated, so we're just about ready to go. Okay, our Huntsman's up to temp, so I'm going to toss on a couple of small pieces of hickory wood over here to get just a little bit of smoke rolling. You don't want to over smoke these guys. And then I'm going to set these big turkey legs over here on the other half of the grill where they can cook over some indirect heat. And next I'm going to place my temperature probe into one of these, because we're going to want to cook these until I get an internal temperature of, I'm going to shoot for about 180 or 185 on these. We're about an hour and a half in, and these guys are temping right at 175 degrees in the thick part down near the bone, which is about where I want them to end up. So I'm going to pull these off and we're going to let these rest. Okay, so I let those rest for about 20 or 25 minutes, and I ate one of them for lunch today. It was absolutely amazing. I don't know how to describe this if you haven't had it, but I'm going to give you the cure recipe in the video description, and I want to comment briefly on the pink salt, the pink curing salt. This is Prague Powder #1. It's a curing salt, and it's not something you want to leave out of this recipe. You can leave it out if you want to, but the results are different. The turkey leg will not taste like this one does, because that curing salt brings a very specific flavor to this, and it's not something you want to leave out. If you have an aversion to that salt for some reason or another, then you can do it without it, and you'll have basically just a very basic smoked turkey leg. But that festival style turkey leg, that ones like you get at Disney World or at the Ren Fest, that have that extra flavor that you can't put your finger on. That's where it's coming from. It's coming from this curing salt. So guys, give this a try and let me know what you think. Until next time, this is John Setzler with Man Cave Meals.